Hi folks, Rick here. I just wanted to give you a quick update on a few things. Okay, so it is the end of August. Okay, one more month and to the third quarter, and we are in the fourth quarter. What does that mean? That means that for the next 90 days, what you're doing is probably going to close this year. After that, what you're really doing is you're already setting up your first quarter now. Finishing strong, starting strong. So I'm going to give you a couple things to think about. My first point today is eliminating options. I know when I started in real estate 34 years ago, the only distraction I had was a blinking light on my phone for voicemail. Today, even your cell phone alone is the most unbelievable distraction. So when you set up what you're going to do for work every day, and most importantly, your DRC, daily revenue commitment, who you're talking to, how you're going to do your prospecting, okay? Make sure you do that distraction-free as much as possible. Okay, you have to do that. It's very important to carve out that time for who you're going to talk to, okay? I would also recommend that you work on your skills every day too. Scripts, dialogues. I know I'm a broken record about this, but you have to be in an area where you can sound good. Over the phone especially, a lot of communication is lost over the phone. Remember that. Almost half of it is lost over the phone because they can't see you. Can't see your facial expressions and so forth. So if you're going to use the phone as your primary way, you have to get good at it. My last point for today is, in every transaction you're in, you have to be the most knowledgeable person. If I'm selling a home in an area, I know what's going on in that area, okay? I know what the sales are. I know what the average cost per square foot is. I know all that stuff because I've done my homework, okay? So what? Focus on your daily revenue commitment, okay? Practice the script you're going to be working on for that day, okay? And then obviously be the most knowledgeable in all the areas that you're working. Talk to you guys soon. Thanks for your time.